Welcome my top 10 people I would trust with my last slice of pizza. Please remember this is not financial advice. Bitcoin just did exactly what we warned about yesterday. The bearish outcome played out exactly as expected. But the bigger question now is, what's next? DVOL, Bitcoin's volatility index, actually closed red yesterday, which is normally a positive sign for Bitcoin. However, today DVOL has already pushed back above yesterday's high, suggesting volatility could be expanding again. That's not something bulls want to see. Bitcoin is still trading below the short-term holder realized price, a level that often acts as a dividing line between healthy market structure and weaker conditions. On the top of that, ETF flows have turned negative again, showing institutional demand is fading rather than accelerating. Funding rates remain positive, which means longs are still paying shorts. Historically, when too many traders lean bullish, the market often moves the other way first. The dollar index has finally broken above its Q4 2025 high, confirming a breakout that has been building for months. If this move continues, the next major target could be the 200-week moving average. That's important because a stronger dollar has historically been one of Bitcoin's biggest headwinds. At the same time, oil continues to trend lower and is now heavily oversold while testing its 200-day moving average. A relief bounce in oil looks increasingly likely, and if that happens, it could support the dollar further and create even more pressure on risk assets like Bitcoin. Now here's the part that really has my attention. On the monthly liquidation heatmap, Bitcoin is now much closer to the $58,000 liquidity cluster than the one sitting above price near $75,000. But even more interestingly, liquidity is rapidly building around the $50,000 level. And that's significant because many major on-chain indicators are also pointing toward the same area as a potential zone of interest. For example, CVDD has historically marked Bitcoin's major price bottoms with remarkable accuracy. It tends to rise over time, so by September-October, when a bottom is expected to form, it will likely be at a higher level. It is currently at $48,400. The Bitcoin cycle repeat chart I posted on X suggests the bottom could be around $50,000. Also, the long-term holder realized price is sitting at $49,800. So what do you think? Has Bitcoin truly bottomed? Or is the real capitulation still ahead? Let me know in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye!